So hello YouTube, Carrie and Lisa here. We're going to show you how to fix some tile today, so stick around.
Stick around.
So Clancy, what are we going to be doing here?
We're going to grind this off.
All right, so we got a diamond grit. That was our first order of the day.
The diamond wheel on a grinder.
All right, I guess we'll get started, huh? All right, well, while Clancy is outside cleaning up the tile, I've got the hot glue gun warming up, and we're going to show you how that works here in a second. So how'd you do?
Good.
Got it all cleaned up? Alright, so what we're going to try and accomplish here is we're going to try and get these tiles back exactly how they came out. And so we've got everything cleaned off, and we've got the tile clean, and we're going to show you how to put these on with a little dab of hot glue. Plus we're going to Alright, so if you notice, these tile are all going to line up with the grout joints. So it's not going to be too big of a mystery which goes where. And we know this one goes on the end because it has a finished edge. Alright, so this looks like it goes either like that or like right there. Got them all in place. I've got some adhesive on the back of them. Now we know for sure where they all go. We're just going to put a dab of hot glue on each one. And this, oops, where's our glue? All right, so now that we have a layout of where exactly these babies go, now we're going to freeze them in place, pull them off one at a time. A little blob of glue. In a few seconds, that'll be on there good enough to grout. Uh-oh. I messed up.
Well, I don't think so. I agree with you to some extent, in the sense that they have more judgment than young people, and they don't lose their tempers as easily. They don't get as frustrated as that actually makes it that way. Trying to keep up with you know, multiple. So, you are your own.
Okay, we're going to make some grout up and then we're going to have at it.
Yeah, and don't try to look too excited. Don't mix too much water.
For 8, we're using non-sanded grout. It's for 1/8 inch or less joints. And sanded grout's for 1/8 inch or greater.
So anyways, that's how you're able to do some tile in a quick fashion. We use the hot glue and the regular adhesive simultaneously. Stay around for the next episode.